Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, northwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, southwestern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 11 p.m. At 10:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over McFarland, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include eastern Madison, Sun Prairie, Fitchburg, Watertown, Stoughton, Oregon, McFarland, Monona, Marshall, Waterloo, Cottage Grove, Belleville, Deerfield, Brooklyn, Utica, Richwood, Deonsville, East Bristol, and Hubbleton. People attending Bradfest in Madison should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight for south central and southeastern Wisconsin.